Welcome to the fascinating world of KitKat production.
I'm your guide today, and we're about to discover how millions of KitKats are born.
Everything starts with premium wheat arriving in massive quantities.
The wheat flour mixes with water, creating the perfect wafer batter. The batter flows into scorching hot molds at precisely 150 degrees Celsius. Golden crispy wafer sheets emerge perfectly baked within seconds. Meanwhile, rich chocolate cream is prepared in enormous mixing tanks.
Robotic precision spreads exactly 3 millimeters of cream on each layer.
3 crispy wafers stacked together with chocolate cream between each. Hydraulic presses bond the layers under controlled pressure. The stacked wafers cool down in freezing tunnels for perfect firmness. Diamond-sharp blades cut the blocks into individual KitKat fingers. High-speed cameras inspect every single finger for perfection. Pure milk chocolate melts and tempers at exactly 31 degrees. The wafers dive through a cascading waterfall of creamy chocolate. Every millimeter gets coated with that signature smooth chocolate layer. The chocolate-covered bars travel through cooling zones to set perfectly. The iconic KitKat logo stamps onto each bar with perfect precision. Expert eyes perform final quality checks on weight and appearance. Brilliant red wrappers roll out, ready to dress each KitKat.
Lightning-fast robots wrap 600 bars every single minute. Heat sealers lock in freshness with airtight precision.
Heat sealers lock in freshness with airtight precision. Individual bars unite into 2-finger and 4-finger packs. Dozens of packs fill sturdy cardboard boxes for worldwide shipping. Every box gets scanned and tracked through advanced digital systems.
Towering shelves hold millions of KitKats, awaiting their journey.
Powerful forklifts load thousands of boxes onto waiting trucks. This factory produces over 17 million KitKat bars daily. These delicious treats travel to 170 countries across every continent.
From grain to wrapper, that's the incredible journey of your favorite KitKat break.